Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, everybody. Welcome back to my channel. I am stvndmltbusiness, back again with another video. So for today's video, kita nyo naman na sa title, I am going to be unboxing my first army phone! It's here! So, ayan, I have been waiting for this for almost over a month now. And it finally came! Parang 2 days ago ata dumating siya. Tapos, sabi ko gagawin ko na ito na yung vlog, pero I've been so busy with school. So, ayan, ngayon ko pa lang siya bubuksan. And I'm so excited. So by the way, we have a special guest. It's RJ! RJ baby! So before I unbox this baby up, I just want to share a short backstory on how I became an army. Wait, I can't organize my thoughts sa sobrang excitement. Alright. Noong December, just last year, I was on Discord with my friends, and since they were K-pop stans, and I wasn't at the time, they were talking about K-pop stuff, and they talked about Ollie London getting plastic surgery to make himself look like Jimin. Sabi ko, totoo ba? May ganun talaga? Tapos sabi nila, oo, hindi mo ba alam? Hindi mo kilala si Jimin of BTS? Tapos I was like, no, I really don't. Tapos, totoo ba? Ganyan. So sinend nila yung video about Ollie London niya getting plastic surgery. Oh, by the way, I don't have anything against plastic surgery. So I watched the video and saw him and Jimin. So I go, wait, Jimin looks familiar. Tapos naalala ko, back July, when I was about to bleach my hair for the first time, I was scrolling through Google. Tapos, I saw a picture of Jimin kasi nga naghahanap ako ng magandang hair color. Tapos, isa sa naging reference ko, along with another member of Atis. Tapos, I go, so ito pala si Jimin. Ganyan. So, ayan. Sabi niya, oo, tapos part siya ng group called BTS. Tapos sabi ko, yeah, I think I've heard of them, ganyan. Tapos sabi niya, yeah, they're really great. Tapos nag-send na siya ng mga performance videos nila. So, nung una, I was a bit overwhelmed, but then, ayun naman, I became comfortable. Tapos, nag-send siya ng performance nila ng Dionysus, Black Swan, Microscomos, Idol, and a lot more. Tapos, sabi niya, panoorin ko daw muna yung for starters, ganyan. Maybe I'll really like them. Tapos, ayun niya, pinanood ko sila isa-isa until I watched their Idol performance in Mama 2019 or 2018. Talagang, you can call me artist! Ganyan. Talagang nawawa ko sa production, sa choreography, sa song, talagang as a whole. Talagang ganon. Sabi ko, wow, they're really great. Tapos, I kept on watching other videos. Ganyan. So until I haven't realized, I became hooked up. Dun sa Idol video na yon is when I decided to become an army. So, ayun lang. So, I started watching their oldest contents to their newest ones, latest ones, but I still haven't catched up since. Sobra talagang daming content, and being a medical student, there isn't much enough free time. So, ayun. But still, I'm at 100 plus run BTS episodes na, so hopes na matapos ko sila para naman makapanood na ng Bon Voyage. So yeah, that's my short backstory on how I became an army. So without further ado, let's get unboxing! Whee! So before I unbox this, let me just sanitize this again. So ito na naman si Hairdresser Mist. Again, this is available both on Shopee and Lazada. I-search nyo lang Hairdresser Mist. And I'm so excited! So I'm just gonna use my trusty, rusty, old cutter. So, ayan. So by the way, I got this from an Instagram shop, Cosmo_PH. Everything will be linked down below, and I'm gonna be putting it here. Ayan. I don't know where to start, pero ayan, let's just slice through. So actually, kaka-open lang ng store nila, and since my friends have been ordering there as well and seen a lot of great feedback, talagang ayun, doon na lang ako umorder since lalo na cheap pa sa kanila. compared to other stores, of course. Tapos nag-ask din ako ng favor na sabi ko, pwede po ba pakilagay sa Weaver's box yung light stick? Wala lang, para lang feel ko na galing talagang Weaver's shop. Sabi niya, oo daw. Tapos they're so accommodating talaga sa mga requests nyo guys. So, if you wanna check them out, again, it's their link down below. Yee! Ayun na, so natatanggal ko na yung cling wrap. Let me just spray this again. So, ito na siya. It's on a Weaver's box! Ayan siya. I'm really so excited. Even though na alam ko naman na yung laman nito and I've watched tons of videos of unboxings. Wala lang, it just feels different kapag ako na talaga yung gumagawa. So, ayan. Open ko na. Alright. There. There you go. Ayan. Ito talaga yung yung talaga nakita ko sa unboxings of other armies. So, ayan. Ito siya. Once you open it, ayan. May airbag dito. Airbag? Ayan. Tapos, merong mga ano ulit tawag dito? Bubble something. Talagang secured yung package, guys. Kitang-kita nyo naman. Ayan, ang daming nakasuksok. Ito na siya! So wait, itatabi ko lang muna lahat. Yee! So ito na. Wait lang. Ayan. So yun guys, be careful when unboxing merch or other parcels. Lalo na kapag may blade, laging turn it away from you. So nag-stop lang yung camera, hindi ko alam kung bakit. Pero, so kita niyo talaga na packed siya. And, oh, may free na photo cards! Eehee! So this is Taeyong, my bias, and Jiko. Ayan. So this is B. There you go. So they also gave me a thank you card. Ayan. Thank you po. Ito na talaga. Ito na yung main event. Spray ulit. There. I'm so excited! So by the way, I got this army bomb. Because first of all, mahilig talaga ako sa ilaw. LEDs, talagang spotlights, ganyan. Pero, kinuha ko to kasi talagang feeling ko, I mean, this is just me, my opinion. Part ako talaga kapag meron akong army bomb. Wala lang, parang feeling ko, ayun. So this is the box. So I got the Map of the Soul Light Stick Special Edition. Wait, ayaw magpabukas. So ito yung unang bungad. Tapos nakaano siya. Oh, grabe. So this is the army bomb. Grabe. Oh wait, may laman pa yung may iba pang laman, wait lang. So inside the box meron tayong photo cards here, tapos meron tayong user manual, and we also have the dust bag and the strap. So ito muna yung buksan natin. So this is the buti na lang hindi mali yung napunta sa akin. So ito yung silver na strap for here. Yan, dito siya ilalagay. Tapos, they also have the dust bag. Army BTS Special Edition. So, pwede nyo siyang ilagay. Kunwari, concert na, tapos na pandemic, sana nga. Ayan, dito siya ilalagay. Tapos, they also have the, the usual manual. So, ito siya. Yun yung manual. And they also have the photo cards. Ooh. So, ito yung QR code on Weaver's shop to get the emblem and cash. So, that's that. Tapos ito yung photo card. So, this is Namjoon, RM. This is Jin. This is Suga. This is J-Hope. This is Jimin. This is Taeyong or V. My bias. And this is Jungkook. Alright, so ayan na yung mga photo cards and yung QR code. So let's get to opening this army bomb. But before that, ayan, meron siyang isang button here. Merong isang button here. Tapos merong nagsaslide dito. Ayan. Tapos, merong print dito ng Map of the Soul. Tapos, meron logo ng BTS and ARMY here na nasuscrew off for the battery. Kabit ko lang yung battery. It needs 3 AAA batteries. So, So, just go. Sobrang excited. Tapos, merong nagbe-blink ulit. Tapos, faster. Ito ata yung fastest. Ayun, tapos ito yung Tapos, kapag sinlide down nyo naman, ito na yung pairing mode niya kapag nagpa-flash na yung blue. So, get your phones. Tapos, punta kayo dun sa official app nila. So, search nyo lang either sa Google Play or App Store, BTS Official Lightstick. So, ito siya. I'll be showing it here. There. Tapos, meron ditong self mode or concert mode. So, pili na lang kayo. Syempre, self mode lang tayo. Tapos, meron ditong version ng SE, pati version 3. So, since SE yung sa atin, click nyo yung SE. Tapos, meron ditong connect. Tapos, dapat malapit lang silang dalawa. Ayan. Ayan na. So, nakalagay na Bluetooth pairing request. So, BTS Lightstick SE would like to pair with your phone. So, pair nyo lang ganyan. So, may mangyayari ba dapat? Ayan na! Ayan na! So, galaw-galawin nyo lang yung yung parang color wheel. So, ayan siya. Yee! So, ito yung nag-iba-iba yung color niya. Grabe, halatang-halata na, Steven. Wait lang. So, ito siya. Kita na ba? Hindi pa din. Ayan na! Ayan na! See, it changes color. It's so cool. So, pwede nyo rin babaan yung light intensity niya. Ayan. See? 0 to 100. Ayan siya. Tapos, meron din ditong feature na blackout. So, pwede nyo siyang i-hold lang. Tapos, mag-blackout yung army bomb. So, kapag i-unpair nyo lang ulit, ayan, i-slide up nyo lang. Pop. Tapos ayan na siya, white na ulit siya. Tapos click nyo lang ulit, tapos magkaano na siya. So by the way guys, syempre bumili rin ako ng stand sa Shopee. Pero hindi yung acrylic. So meron ako nakita sa TikTok na cheaper option. So hindi talaga siya actually stand for light sticks, pero it's more of like a doll holder. So ito siya. Ayan. So it comes with 3 pieces out of the parcel. Tapos, it costs 65 pesos lang. Ilalagay nyo lang to dito. Yan, kakabit nyo siyang ganyan. Tapos, etong metal na to, isusuksok nyo lang siyang ganyan dito. Pag snug na siya, yan, ganyan. Pwede nyo lang ikabit si light stick. Oh! So, meron na tayong light stick holder! So, pwede nyo pa siyang ibaba kung gusto nyo. Ayan, para nakatayong ganyan. See? So, I'll be linking this down the description box as well. So, check nyo na lang. So, that concludes this video. If you enjoyed, please leave a thumbs up down below. Subscribe na rin kayo dun sa baba and click that notification bell beside it para man-notify kayo whenever I upload something new again! So, is that a bye-bye? Bye-bye ka na! Bye-bye! Yan na, yan na.
The nominees are BTS, Lady Gaga, and
the Grammy goes to Rain on Me, Lady Gaga with Ariana Grande. Lordy Jesus. Well, when I get her name right, I will go get the